Hi, I'm Bob Graham, founder of SpearPoint Ink, and for more than 30 years, I've helped people find the words that move their businesses forward. I've been a journalist, a marketer, a business coach, a ghostwriter, an author, and even a college writing and marketing teacher. Every role has taught me the same truth. The most powerful stories in business are already inside the people leading them. Every leader has a story that can build trust, attract opportunity, and inspire action, but most never tell it because they don't know where to start or they think their story isn't unique enough. The truth, your story doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be authentic. My signature talk, Telling Your Story, is an interactive experience that helps audiences uncover that truth. Using my mirror method, I guide them through 3 steps. The first step, clarifying the message, what you believe and who you serve. The second step, shaping the form. Where does the message live best? Is it a book? Is it a talk? Is it a post, a LinkedIn article? Whatever it is. Third thing, share with purpose. How do you bring that message to the people who need it most? It's not theory. It's practical clarity they can apply immediately. Participants leave with a tool called the message map. 2 sentences that define the problem they solve and the result they deliver. It's a framework they can use that same day to make their marketing, networking, and leadership communication more powerful. Audiences love it because it's equal parts inspiration and implementation. One financial advisor I worked with landed 4 major referrals in the first month after his book came out. Another client turned his story into a $5,000 speaking engagement. That's what happens when your message is clear. Opportunity finds you. If you're planning an event for business leaders, entrepreneurs, or professionals who want to communicate with more confidence and clarity, I'd love to partner with you. Visit bob-graham.com to learn more about the Telling Your Story keynote or workshop and how it can make your event unforgettable. You already have everything you need inside you, your stories, your lessons, your beliefs. Let's hold up the mirror and help your audience see it.